Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the amazing Apple AirTag 4-pack. This tiny tracker uses Apple's incredible precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you straight to your lost item with pinpoint accuracy, even if it's under the couch. Imagine an arrow on your iPhone screen, telling you not just the general direction, but the exact distance and path. That's what makes this so different from basic Bluetooth trackers. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Literally one tap on your iPhone, and you're paired and ready to go. No complicated apps or confusing menus. Worried about it getting wet? Don't be. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can survive splashes, spills, and even a quick dip, making it super durable for everyday life. If you're looking for the best electronics tracker to protect your valuables, this is a total game changer. Grab yours at a great price via the Amazon link in the description below. The peace of mind knowing you can locate your essentials, whether they're across the room or across town using the vast Find My network, is truly priceless. Attach them to luggage, pet collars, your kids' school bags, or even your camera gear. The possibilities for tracking your most important possessions are endless. For anyone who values their time and their belongings, the Apple AirTag is an essential accessory in 2025. Easily one of the smartest gadgets you can buy. Don't wait until you lose something important. Click that Amazon link now to get your Apple AirTag 4-pack today.